Hi, I'm Aaron Weed. When I install my dust collection system, I use these plastic straps to hold in all the piping. While they work well for most of the system, down at the termination points, they're kind of loose. So I'm going to make wooden compression clamps that'll hold these in place and very sturdy.
I am using one 2x6 to make several of these clamps. Here I have marked all of them at one time down the entire length of the board. To keep the bolt holes straight, I'm using my drill press and my extra long 1/4 inch bit. Since the drill press quill only goes 4 inches, I'll drill as far as I can and then finish the holes with a hand drill.
For these 1/4 inch diameter bolts, a 6-inch length was the longest I could get at the hardware store. It's not quite long enough to leave enough threads coming out into the next 2x4. I'm going to recess this probably to about 7/8 of an inch. That'll give me enough thread protrusion at the end to get a good grip into the backing plate. Now, this Forstner bit will help me recess both the bolt head and the washer. Now that the holes are drilled, I'm going to do a compression test to make sure that when these are fitted over the pipe, that they will squeeze down just enough to make sure that they hold that pipe tightly in place, which this one does. However, this one doesn't. Pipe comes out too easily. So for those, I'll sand off the little bit off the bottoms and try it again. Now I will center punch the marks for where to drill. Now that is in there really snug. I'm not going to have any trouble when I put torque on this from vacuuming the floor. So there you have it. Nice, sturdy, and cheap to make, so this dust collection system won't come loose.